We're going to talk about our fingers right now and our face and everything else. You know, when you think of getting a manicure, pedicure, or massage, you generally think of it as helping just yourself.
Right, but now you can help someone else while you're treating yourself to a little bit of TLC. And Tim Ezell, the trooper that he is, decided to investigate this story. He's live in Richmond Heights this morning where he's getting his face fixed. Tim?
Oh, that's right. You know, being the investigative reporter that I am, I felt like I needed to get involved in this and get the facial here. We are at the Face Company. Kim Palmier joining me this morning, and right now I'm getting a special treatment. Kim, what is this called right here that we're doing?
This is called the Youth Light Intense Pulse Light System.
Very cool.
And it increases the skin's collagen 50% after 6 treatments. It helps decrease sun damage and helps with hypersensitivity in the skin.
Wow.
Strengthening the overall dermal area of the skin.
Show the camera what you're using because it's got some lights on it and everything. And it's all a light therapy, right?
Light therapy, intense pulse light therapy.
Very cool.
Skin rejuvenation.
And I'm feeling rejuvenated as we speak. Speaking of this whole process that you're doing to build these booklets that you're putting together, these gift certificates, and the proceeds go to Burns Camp, and this is something that's very close to your heart because of a personal experience.
Yes, it is. It's an experience that happened when I was 5 years old, and I received 7 years of treatment via the Shriners at Galveston, Texas. And I experienced and saw many, many children with just such devastational trauma to their bodies, their face, their families. And so this is my way. Life has been good for me, and this is my way of giving to these children and passing on the good karma.
That's fantastic, and obviously it comes through in your work too, because what you do is obviously definitely a labor of love for you.
And helping people to feel better about themselves.
Very cool. And what you're offering is these gift certificates. They're $135 value. For $75,
yes.
They can get these booklets right now through Saturday.
Yes.
And all the money that you would make, the profit, for $30 of the profit, all of it goes to Burns Camp.
Yes, it does. 100% goes to the Burns Recovered Group, and it's the Missouri Children's Summer Burns Camp.
Wow. Well, you can call the Face Company or come by, or you can go to thefacecompany.com online to order these booklets, or you can come by and use one right when you order it. When you buy it, I guess you could put it to work immediately, right?
Absolutely, and you have a year to use. There's 6 different services.
Very cool.
And you have a year to use them.
Well, I'm trying to you know, soak them all in as much as possible today, trying to rejuvenate myself after that long, treacherous weekend. You know, it is a Monday.
So like a baby.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, my daughter keeps me moving. Hey, it's the Face Company, guys, and a great cause, and all morning long I'll show you some of the things that you can get with these gift certificates, including this laser light therapy. Feeling very rejuvenated right now.
Yes, and very relaxed, we noticed, Timmy. You're talking very calmly and smoothly.
It's a nice change of pace for me, isn't it?
It's different, for sure. There's no question.
But you know what, Tim?
Yeah.
You look like a bug.
I look like a bug?
Yeah, you got bug eyes.
I got bug eyes.
You look like a cute bug, though.
Yeah, well, thank you.
All right, Tim, we'll check back and see how your face is doing in a little bit.